Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to show you how to get into the activity and use the class blog. So if you notice here, if you're on your journal page when you sign in, you'll click over on activities. And then when you click on activities, you can see right here that there's a bunch of activities ready to respond to. So the latest one that Mrs. March posted is drawing a cat task and posting to the blog. So after you have listened to the directions, read through the directions, then you can click add a response. And so if you click add a response, it'll come up with a template of the blank cat face. So you can use your tools to draw, let's see, you probably aren't going to want to, let's just delete that. So you could use your tools to draw. You guys know how to do this probably better than I do down here. I'll take a pen, I'm going to put some little eyes on there, and so on. And I'm not going to get too creative right now. You can change the color so we can have a big old smile and so on, okay? You could even do glasses. You can do anything you want on your cat. Then once you're done, you're going to click the check mark, and it's uploading. It might take a little bit, okay? And that means that you have posted it to your journal, okay? So it's waiting for the teacher approval. On your journal, once you've done that, you'll see this little globe icon. Do you see where I'm moving my cursor right here? If you click on that, it'll say publish this item to the blog once it is approved, and you'll say, yep, I want to publish this. So you click publish to the blog. And then it's waiting for the teacher to approve it. Once you want to see what's in the blog, then you go over here and you can see that there's this blog right here. Right now there is not anything in it, but if you click on it, it'll take you to Mrs. March's class 4th grade rocks blog, and anything that anybody posts in that blog, we will all be able to see. And then you can comment, you can post your own things. So anytime you click on the little blog icon, that's where you can post. So hopefully this goes well. Make sure to be appropriate and respectful to your classmates on the blog, and let's have some fun with it. I can't wait to see your cat pictures.